in this lesson, we will see together les figures de style, but more precisely, we will see la rime. So the first thing that we should define is les figures de style. What are we talking about? In the French language, as in any language, there are numerous figures of style, also known as figures de style or figures de rhétorique. These figures of speech are used to enhance the expressiveness, imagery, and impact of language in both spoken and written communication. These figures of style are used by writers and speakers to add depth, imagery, emphasis, and rhetorical flair to their language. And it makes their expressions more engaging and memorable. So, this lesson is about la rime. Rhyme is a literary device in which the final sounds of words, usually the sounds of the last syllables, correspond or repeat in a pattern. It is commonly used in poetry to create a musical quality and enhance the overall rhythm of the text. Rhyme is a powerful tool for adding structure, musicality, and cohesion to a piece of writing. So we will see some examples with la rime. Le chat noir marche sur le trottoir. Le chat noir marche sur le trottoir. La mer scintille sous le soleil. La mer scintille sous le soleil. Il s'est envolé, son rêve s'est réalisé. Il s'est envolé, son rêve s'est réalisé. Les rires d'enfants, un son réconfortant. Les rires d'enfants, un son réconfortant. Le vent souffle doucement à travers les champs. Le vent souffle doucement à travers les champs. Le ruisseau chante sa mélodie apaisante. Le ruisseau chante sa mélodie apaisante.